Hi, in this video we are going to discuss conversion of measurement. So conversion of units. This refers to conversion of different units of measurements with the same quantity, so that it involves multiplication or division of numbers. So, but before that, before we convert measurements, we need to have the conversion factors. Okay? Conversion factors. So, ano ba yung conversion factors? So, these are usually provided in the conversion charts or tables. It is used for converting units of measurements, just like this one. These are the commonly conversion factors that are used for length. Okay, in measuring length, distances, ito yung mga common na conversion factors. So we have here 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. Okay, 1 decimeter equals 10 centimeters. 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. Of course, the basic unit for length is meter. Okay, meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. Ito naman sa English system of measurements, we have foot. 1 foot equals 12 inches. Ito yung nasa ruler natin, di ba? So, 1 yard equals 3 feet. Okay, 3 feet. And 1 mile equals 1,760 yards. And also, in terms of feet, yung 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. Okay, so ito yung common conversion factors for length. Now, the common conversion factors for mass or weight are the following. So, 1 centigram equals 10 milligrams. Take note that the basic unit for mass or weight is gram. Okay, so we have here 1 gram equals 10 decigrams. 1 decagram equals 10 grams. 1 hectogram equals 10 decagrams. 1 kilogram equals 10 hectogram. Okay, and 1 metric ton. Ito naman, this is English system ito, ano, 1 pound. Ayan. So, yung 1 metric ton is equal to 1,000 kilograms. Okay, 1 metric ton equals 1,000 kilograms. Ang 1 pound naman is equal to 0.4536 kilograms. So, basically, ang 1 kilogram, ito lang gamitin natin, pwede namang magkabaliktad. Yung 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds. Okay? Ang symbol ng pounds ay LB, ha? Wala ng S. Hindi tayo naglalagay ng S, ha, kapag marami. So, take note here, milligrams, mg lang ang symbol. So, ang pounds, sometimes na nilalagyan ng S. Pero, dapat hindi nilalagyan ng S yan. Kahit na plural. Okay? So, 2.2 pounds or 2.2 lb. Okay? 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. Okay? 1 ton. Masyadong mabigat ito. Okay. Conversion factors for volume. Ito naman kung yung space na na-occupy. Okay? Volume. The basic unit for volume is liter. Okay, liter. So, 1 liter, yung sa Coke, di ba, 1 litro. So, 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. ml, 1,000 ml. So, 1 centiliter equals 10 milliliters. Okay, 10 ml yung isang 1 cl. 1 deciliter equals 10 centiliters. 1 liter equals 10 deciliters. 1 decaliter equals 10 liters. 1 hectoliter equals 10 decaliters. 1 kiloliter equals 10 hectoliters. Okay, so ito yung commonly used conversion factors ng volume. Okay, punta naman tayo sa time. Okay, sa time. Ito very, feeling ko familiar na tayong lahat dito. Mag-umpisa tayo dito sa pinaka maliit. Okay? So, seconds. The basic unit for time is seconds. So, when we say 60 seconds, that is equivalent to 1 minute. Okay, so 1 minute equals 60 seconds. And then, yung isang oras, 1 hour, equals 60 minutes. Okay? 60 minutes. Yung 1 day naman, isang buong araw, is equal to 24 hours. 24 hours. Yung 1 week, of course, alam natin that there are 7 days in a week. Diba? So, 1 week equals 7 days. And in a year, that's 365 days. 365 days. In 1 year, there are 52 weeks. And in 1 year, there are 12 months. 1 decade, that's 10 years. Isang dekada, meaning 10 taon. 1 score is 20 years. 1 score. I've been here on earth for 1 score, 1 decade, and 5 years. Secret. Okay, so 1 score is 20 years. 1 century is 100 years. And 1 millennium. No, dito nanggaling yung millennials, di ba? 1 millennium is 1,000 years. Okay, 1,000 years, 1 millennium. So, let's try. Let's convert 3 feet to inches. Ito naman, measures of length ito, di ba? Measures of length. So, first, let's identify the conversion factor that we have to use. So, feet to inches, of course, conversion factor natin is 1 foot equals 12 inches. So, andito si feet at saka si inches. Okay? So, set up the conversion factor is a fraction to be multiplied. Fraction, ha? To be multiplied by the given such that the same units will be cancelled out. Paano ba tayo magka-cancel out? Okay. So, this conversion factor, pwede natin siyang isulat as 1 foot yung nasa numerator and then 12 inches ang nasa denominator as a fraction man. Okay? Pwede din nating isulat ang 12 inches sa numerator sa taas. Pwede din ang 1 foot sa baba sa denominator. Okay? Depende lang yan. I-set up natin siya in such a way na yung mga units dapat ma-cancelled out. Okay, ma-cancel. So, we have here the given 3 feet. So, we can write this as 3 feet over 1. Saan galing yung 1? Of course, it's a whole number, yung 3. Para maging fraction siya, ang yung denominator niya is 1. Okay? So, 3 feet over 1. I-multiply natin siya sa conversion factor. Ang conversion factor, dahil feet ang nandito, dapat para ma-cancel out ito, for the units to be cancelled out, dapat ang feet nasa denominator. Kaya, dito natin nilagay ang 1 foot. Okay? Foot kapag kaisa, pag marami, feet. So, dito natin nilagay ang foot para ma-cancel out silang dalawa. Okay? Cancel out na yan. Ibig sabihin, ang naiwan na unit ay inches na lang. Okay? Inches. So, let's go ahead and multiply. So, 3 times 12, that gives us 36. And then, yung naiwan na symbol is inches. Diba? So, 36 inches, 1 times 1, that's 1. So, 36 over 1, that is 36. And so, the answer is 36 inches. Okay? So, therefore, 3 feet is equivalent to 36 inches. Let's have another example. Let's convert 1,200 meters to kilometers. 1,200 meters to kilometers. Of course, ito, yung 1,200 meters, this is a whole number. So, para maging fraction siya, lagyan natin siya ng denominator na 1. And then, i-multiply natin siya sa conversion factors. Ngayon, alamin muna natin kung anong conversion factors ang gagamitin natin. So, we have meters. Yung dalawang involved na unit ay meters at saka kilometers. So, yung conversion factor natin, dapat andun si meter and andun si kilometer. And that is 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meter. Saan ito kinuha? Of course, doon sa pinakita ko kaninang mga conversion factors. Okay? Andito yan, 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. Yung kanina, yung 1 foot, yan, 12 inches. Okay? So, kung bago pa, hindi pa medyo ano pa, no? Medyo naghahanap pa ng alin kayong conversion factors. Pero kapag tumagal na, ma-familiarize nyo na siya and eventually ma-memorize nyo na. Okay? So, balik tayo. Eto na siya. So, 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. So, again, sabi ko kanina yung given natin, lagyan natin ng denominator na 1. Tapos, i-multiply natin sa conversion factor. Ngayon, dahil sa si meter ang nasa taas, okay? So, itong si meter na nandito, siya ang ilalagay natin sa denominator para ma-cancel out yung meter na sign or na symbol. Okay? So, ang maiiwan na symbol na lang ay kilometer, which is what we are looking for, kilometers. So, i-multiply natin, magiging hindi na lang ako magsusulat dito. Andun siya sa kabilang slide. So, 1,200 times 1. Okay? So, 1,200 times 1 equals 1,200. 1 times 1,000 is 1,000. And so, we divide this. So, 1,200 divided by 1,000. Napakadali lang dahil may tatlong 0 at saka 1. Okay, automatic yan, no? Tatlong 0. So, move natin ito. 1, 2, 3. Ayun. So, ang sagot ay 1.2 kilometers. So, therefore, 1,200 meters is equivalent to 1.2 kilometers. Ma'am, ganun lang ba yan mag-divide, ma'am? I-move lang ang decimal point. Sige. Kapag ka nag-divide tayo ng number, yung sa denominator natin or yung divisor natin ay 1 at saka madaming 0. Bibilangin nyo lang kung ilang 0 tapos yun ang i-move nyo na places. Okay? Kung 1 ito dito, ha? Kung 1. Pero kapag ka 2, you really have to divide. You really have to divide the 2. Yan lang. So, let's practice. Let's practice is convert 124 centimeters to milliliters. So, eto naman, ang given natin ay centimeters. Ayan. So, para maging fraction siya, lagyan natin siya ng 1 sa denominator. So, 124 over 1 centimeters times yung conversion factor natin. Okay? So, yung sa conversion factor natin, maghahanap tayo, no? Sa conversion factor for length. So, centimeter at saka milliliters. So, 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. So, ayun. Balikan natin. So, magiging 100. Sira kasi ang mouse ko. Kaya, medyo mabagal kapag ka nagsulat ako, no? So, 124 over 1 times yung conversion factors, yung conversion factor natin, ano? So, dahil sa cm ang nandito, cm. Dito si 1 cm equals 10 millimeters, di ba yun? 1 cm equals 10. Of course, we have 10 milli... Ang bagal. Okay. 10 millimeters. So, makancel out yung cm. Okay? And then, you multiply 124 times 10. That will give you, of course, 1 ito, diba? So, 124 times 1, that's 124. And then, you add lang the 0 sa ending. So, 124. And then, 0. So, of course, 1 times 1 is 1. So, 1,240 over 1 is still 1,240. And, ano yung unit na naiwan? That's mm, millimeters. So, the answer is 1,240 millimeters. Okay? Alright, so, eto naman si 540 months, 2 years, of course, 540 over 1. Tapos, yung 1 year is equal to 12 months. Okay? So, yung 12 months sa baba, yung 1 year sa taas para ma-cancel yung months, ano? And so, that's how you answer number 2.